So this is the starting materials. We have a special high-tech heat gun where you can control the temperature. So even though we don't have a thermometer, this thing will safely protect the device by not heating the air to higher than a set point temperature. So we're going to have to do something with a double-sided tape, but for now we have the various tools. This is the guitar pick, and this is the sharp knife, and we're ready to go. Okay, so I guess I'm about to take this off. I'm using this plastic tweezer here. I'm going to slide it over, and there are two buttons here that I need to be careful of. Okay, so I took it off, but there are these two buttons. I'm going to have to remove those carefully. So I put the battery back in to check if it still works. Okay, that's a good sign. I think the battery's dead, but... Okay, well, skipped a few steps, but that is recording-wise. But we'll see if it works. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Am I holding the right phone? Yes. Okay. I'm turning on. Ah. Okay. Now I have to check the buttons. Let's see. We'll do this. Okay, the button's lighting up. So let's try. What's it doing? Swipe the screen. Okay. So if I go to this, okay. Let's check. Okay, that's good. This button works, and that button works, and then this button also works. So I think it works. Everything seems to work. Alright. Thanks, Internet.